Prime Minister Narendra Modi will travel to Bangkok, Thailand for a 2-day visit from April 3rd to participate in the 6th BIMSTEC Summit. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will visit Maharashtra and Chhattisgarh on the 30th of this month to inaugurate various developmental projects. Health Minister J.P. Nadda said that more than 8 crore hospital admissions worth 1.26 lakh crore rupees have been authorized under Ayushman Bharat Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana. An earthquake with a magnitude of 4.0 struck East Garo Hills in Meghalaya on Friday, causing no reported damage or injuries. In Australia, former cricketer Steve Waugh has been appointed by the Australian government to the Centre for Australia-India Relations Advisory Board.